What's up, guys? We are back at Brady's house. It's been a long time since we've been here, but as you can probably see behind me, we've got the M3 in the background and the seat's not in the car, so we're going to be messing with that today. I'll let Brady kind of explain what's going on with that and we'll get right to it.
So, what's the deal, Brady? What's the problem?
Well, there's a story behind my passenger seat. The day I bought the car, we're driving it home, and Kathy, my now fiance, was sitting in the passenger seat, and she reclined the chair all the way back, and it didn't come back up. And so now, I thought about it over time, and I was gonna either buy a new seat or put a new seat bracket on it. I tried the drill method of fixing with the motor to bring it back up, and I just destroyed the motors inside the seat. So I was really thinking about it, and I came over here and looked at it, and I think we're just gonna ghetto fix it. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, there is a stopper right here. When the seat is in full recline, it hits that. When it goes up, it goes here. So what we're gonna do is find out where we want the seat to lay, mark it somewhere in here, drill it, and put a screw in there. So when it hits, it'll stop on that screw, but it'll still allow it to go forward and get somebody to go in the back. So we're gonna give it a shot. It's pretty ghetto, but why not?
So, do you have the screw?
Yep. This is the screw. That's the screw.
That's the screw right there.
And we'll get a drill and a drill bit and see what we can do. I might estimate.
Well, you know, it's enough of a jerry-rig technique that I think you might as well just not move it.
Just go full sin.
Go ahead and give us the full.
I can't look at it at the same goddamn time. Hold on. Oh shit.
So that's where you're stuck
This
right
is
now.
how someone will sit in my 700 horsepower BMW currently. Do you think you can hold this real quick and see where this sits?
Yeah.
You got it? Yep. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Okay, let me just stay right there. Hold it.
I thought it was a motorcycle.
What was it?
It was an EG Honda.
It wasn't a motorcycle. I thought it was a fucking Harley Davidson. I said it live.
I did too.
Nice. Okay, buddy. Blow her off a little bit. No? You're going too far. Let's give it a shot. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Did I finally fix your seat? The problem is, I think when I hit the brakes, I think the chair's the seat's gonna go forward. Well, I think that fixed it.
Well, there you have it.
How to ghetto fix your seat in under 2 minutes.
All it takes is one little screw.
That's how I have 2 kids. lot better.
So it still goes up, but now it doesn't go all the way back every time.
Okay, so that was a quick little fix for the seat in the M3. Not the prettiest way to fix a seat, but it works just for keeping the seat in the right spot. But now we can go ahead and update you guys on the M3 and what's left for the build.
So the plan is now, Chris, I introduced you to him. He's the one who did all the turbo piping. He's buttoning some stuff up at the shop. And this car will be going to his shop sometime in the beginning of January to get finished up. So you are going to see much more of the car, updates, as well as running and driving, first drive, etc., coming up very fast. I know it's been a little while, but we're hopping back on it, going to finish it up, and a lot of exciting things to come.
So yeah, it's going to be coming up very quick with the end of this build. It'll be running and driving. That'll be really fun. Sorry for the lack of videos recently. I've been doing a lot of film stuff at school, finishing up my degree, so I'll probably find a way to post those short films and stuff that I've worked on another channel or something. But until then, we'll see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.